Hey guys, we're doing another little road trip today and we're heading up to the Sunshine Coast, and I want to show you my favourite photography spots from around that area. Firstly, we're going to stop in just on the side of the road at Mount Tibrogargan, as there was some fog clearing over the mountain there as we're driving up and it looked really pretty. So I want to put the drone up and take a look and try and capture some video footage from there. So the first stop on our little road trip after we get some footage at Tibrogargan is going to be Shelley Beach. So I'll see you again once we get there.
I made an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me.
We've just gotten to Shelley Beach on the Sunshine Coast. This is the first stop of our little road trip, and this is a great location for sunrise shots. So as you can see here, there's some beautiful rocks here that you can use in the foreground, and they've got some nice green moss on them. And the sunrise is over the ocean here, so it's great for you know, when you try to capture some pinks and purples and oranges in the sky for your photographs. So let's have a look around.
I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. Searching for glory. I took out a
So we're at Point Cartwright now, and we're at the famous Dolphin Rock, which is this rock that I'm sitting on here. So you can, as you can see, it looks like a dolphin's nose pointing up. And this is quite a famous spot to photograph here on the Sunshine Coast for sunrise. People use this as the foreground, and the sunrise is behind us over the ocean there. So it's another great spot. It's a little bit windy here today, as you can tell, but I'm going to put the drone up and see what I can capture here also.
It takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. It's gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up you'll be fine. I know.
We have arrived at Buderim Forest Park in Buderim. And there is a beautiful waterfall just down there that we're going to go and check out now. We just stopped in the little town of Buderim to have some lunch at a cafe called Cafe V. And that was a really delicious little vegan cafe. Buderim's a really cute little town, so if you're driving through this way, make sure you stop there and grab something to eat. So let's go check out the waterfall. So this is Buderim Falls behind me. As you can see, it's a really pretty waterfall. There's two entrances to get here. So there's one from the top, which is the one we came down, which is quite quick to get to, or you can park down the bottom and walk up, which takes a bit longer, but there is a nice forest walk if you come from the bottom. There's a beautiful bridge above us to get here, and it's just a really picturesque scene. It's very tranquil here. So yeah. So we're at Maroochydore now at the boathouses, which you can see behind me here. So this is another great photographic location on the Sunshine Coast. So these little boathouses are really cute to photograph. You can do them at sunrise or sunset, just depending on where the cloud is, because it's north behind us. So you kind of need cloud behind you. These are set on the Maroochydore River. And yeah, it's just another great spot to shoot if you're looking for somewhere to photograph at the Sunshine Coast. The next stop is going to be Point Arkwright, so let's head off there now. So we've made it to our second last location for some of the best photography spots on the Sunshine Coast, and I'm at Point Arkwright now. This is a beautiful spot because you've got all these beautiful orange rocks on the shore and the ocean behind you, so it's another great spot for sunrise. And sometimes if you've got cloud out behind you, you can jag a sunset as well if it's a reverse. So it's a great spot to use all these rocks as your foreground interest. You can find some leading lines with the water flowing through here, and it's just a really pretty spot. Made it to our final location of our favourite photography places on the Sunshine Coast, and our last stop is Noosa. So we're at Main Beach at the moment, and this is a great sunset location as the sun sets in the west, and you can still get the beach as your foreground interest. There's a few other spots around that you can do sunrise around the Noosa region. So Sunshine Beach, Tutu Bay, Little Cove, which are all in the National Park. They're really great spots for sunrise. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my tour of the Sunshine Coast and my favourite photography spots. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye!